Samsung is about to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but this time it's not just another small upgrade. There are some subtle changes that could actually fix the biggest complaints people had with previous Fold devices. And trust me, you'll want to see this before you decide to upgrade. So yeah, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 leaks are coming in fast, and while at first it looks like a same design, same story situation, the details tell a very different story. Let's break it down. Starting with the design, Samsung is sticking with the familiar foldable look. We're expecting around 8-inch inner display and a 6.5-inch cover screen. So, no major size change. But here's the interesting part. The cover screen camera cutout is getting smaller. Now, Samsung hasn't confirmed how they did it, but this could mean better under-display tech or improved lens design. Either way, it's a small change that makes the phone look cleaner and more premium. Now, under the hood, this is where things get serious. Leaks suggest the Fold 8 could come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which means better performance, improved battery efficiency, and smoother multitasking. Perfect for a device that's literally built for productivity. On the software side, we might see One UI 9 based on Android 16. And if Samsung continues its trend, expect better multitasking features, smarter app resizing, and improved foldable optimization. Basically, software that actually takes advantage of that big screen. But here's the honest truth. This still looks like a refinement, not a revolution. No major redesign. No crazy new hardware feature. So if you were expecting something completely different, you might be a little disappointed. But at the same time, these small upgrades could finally make the Fold series feel polished. And sometimes, that's exactly what matters. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 worth upgrading? Or should Samsung have done more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.